Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to review Bardeen AI CRM. Bardeen AI is mainly known as a task automation tool, but it offers some helpful CRM features. You can use it to manage contacts, collect leads, and stay organized with your sales task. It uses artificial intelligence to save time by doing boring, repetitive work for you. One of the best parts is that Bardeen connects with many popular apps like Google Sheets, LinkedIn, Notion, and CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce. This means you don't have to keep switching between apps. You can update contact info, organize tasks, and save leads all from one place. Bardeen also lets you custom automations using simple drag and drop tools. For example, you can create a setup that saves LinkedIn leads into a spreadsheet or sends you reminders to follow up with someone. And the best part, you don't need to know any coding. While Bardeen is not as advanced as full CRMs like Pipedrive or Zoho, it works really well if you're a solo user, freelancer, or small team looking for a lightweight CRM with strong automation features. Now let's how to get started. First, click on Get Started for free on the Bardeen website. Then enter your work email and password to sign up. Next, choose whether you're using Bardeen for work or personal use. After that, select what you want Bardeen to help you with, for example, task automation, lead generation, or data collection. Then, click on Continue. You'll be asked about payment options, but you can just click without Pro features for now. Now, click on Go to Chrome Store. Here, click on Add to Chrome to install the Bardeen extension. Then, click on Extension in the pop-up window. Once it's installed, launch Bardeen. Now you're ready to begin. For example, you can run an automation like demo, get leads from websites. Just click on Run Playback and Bardeen will start working. Once it's done, you'll see the results like saved leads or update info without doing anything manually. And this is how Bardeen helps you save time while managing your work smarter. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.